You're going to love this, trust me. What you're seeing now is my normal state. This is a Super Saiyan. And this is what is known as a Super Saiyan that has ascended past a Super Saiyan. Or you can just call this a Super Saiyan 2.
What a useless transformation. You've changed your hair, so what?
Just wait.
You really found a way to surpass an ascended Saiyan? Is that possible?
He must be bluffing. I mean, what would that make him? Double a Saiyan?
And this
What's he doing?
is to go even further beyond.
No, stop it, Goku! If you do this now, it's going to drain away all the time you have left on Earth. And I say you need every second of it as it is.
It's unreal. How is he generating that much power?
Do it, Dad.
It's too much!
What's going on? Goten's dad is putting out even more energy than before. I should go. I don't want to get yelled at again.
Stop it! Stop it now, Goku!
In the street.
It feels like the whole world is shaking apart. What is Goku doing? If he doesn't stop this, everything is going to be destroyed.
Even Jimmy's mom.
Please, somebody make it stop!
Yes. Are you going to finish your croissant? Now I can finally go on a date with Jimmy's mom.